Prynawn da, boys and girls. Well, it's not Prynawn da, it's actually Nos da, because I'm recording this in the evening in my living room with my pretty Christmas lights behind me. It is the last of our assemblies for the whole of 2020, and I have to say I'm quite pleased to see the back of 2020 because it's been a really difficult year for you, for your mums, for your dads, for your communities, and I hope now that the vaccine is on the horizon that we will be able to get back to normal as soon as possible. So here we go, our final celebration of assemblies of the whole of the year. Let's celebrate and find out who has found their way to a certificate this week. Llongyfarchiadau Jack Evans for trying hard, producing amazing work for all home learning activities and for doing it with a big cheery Christmas smile. Die down, Dosbarth, Miss Hadley and Miss Lewis. Let's move on, see who else is there. Llongyfarchiadau Savannah Wynell for producing an amazing Christmas picture on JIT, baking delicious looking cookies, and for going on a litter pick with friends to keep your environment healthy. We love that in Dosbarth, Miss Hadley. We love that in the whole of our community. So good job, Savannah. Loving your work. Let's find out. And now in Dosbarth, Mrs. Cronin, Mrs. Chisholm and Mrs. Brace, we found out that it's Mally Griffiths for a lovely Christmas drawing using digital technology on Just Too Easy and taking part in lots of home learning. Excellent work, quite da. Moving on, we've got Khaleesi Lynn Burton-Jackson for taking part in lots of home learning and singing a wonderful number on. You've done a great job. Excellent work. Okay, I think we might be moving on to a new class. Let's see. Yes, we are. It's Dosbarth Mrs. Cross and Dosbarth Mrs. Thomas. Llongyfarchiadau I Daisy Turner for fantastic home learning tasks this week, showing great enthusiasm and for performing a beautiful emotional star dance. Can't wait to see that. Lewis Robbins, you get one this week for engaging